In this video, we will delve into the remaining features of the left sidebar menu of the beecrowd academic platform that have not yet been covered in other videos. This menu can be opened by clicking on the icon with 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner. They are Public Problems. By clicking on this option, you will be directed to the Public Repository Problems screen of the beecrowd Talent platform. There, you can browse the repository with more than 2,500 available programming challenges that can be freely used in your courses. Public problems are classified into 9 categories, according to the type of algorithmic reasoning required to solve them, and within each category, into 10 difficulty levels, 1 to 10. In addition to browsing, you can use this feature to try solving some of the public problems before including them in your courses. Manage your subscription. This option is used for you to control your current subscription plan, from the free plan to the more advanced individual or institutional plans. Among the paid plans, beecrowd offers individual plans, which can be purchased by individuals, or institutional and corporate plans, which are acquired by legal entities. Depending on the chosen plan, you may also have access to group usage, with or without the availability of Beatrice, beecrowd's artificial intelligence. Feedbacks. This option allows you to send suggestions for platform improvements, ideas for new features, or report any errors found. By clicking this option, a screen will open where you can fill out a form with the subject you want to report and the details of your request. Once saved, this form is submitted to our support team and is typically responded to within 96 hours. beecrowd Talent. Through this option, you will be directed to your account on the student platform, beecrowd Talent, via a single sign-on SSO process. All professors who are users of beecrowd Academic, upon having their account created on the platform, also gain access to the Talent platform and can access it using the same username and password initially created for beecrowd Academic. Tutorial. This option is used to access the beecrowd Academic tutorial with educational videos on how to use the platform. The tutorials are divided by functionality, and each video generally lasts between 4 to 10 minutes. We strongly recommend that you watch at least one complete tutorial to fully utilize beecrowd Academic. Updates. In this section, we regularly post releases made on the platform, showing new features available as well as bugs fixed. Sign out. Option used to log out of the platform. We hope this video has helped you understand in detail the remaining features of the left sidebar menu of the beecrowd Academic platform. Don't forget to watch our other tutorials, which explain each feature of the platform in a practical and straightforward way. See you next time.